Galtaji temple was the last on our schedule of visits in Jaipur, and it was scheduled in the evening by us. Uh, and what you see is a route leading to Galtaji temple. The road itself is a beautiful site with very old structures but narrow road, providing a great view. We are just crossing the Rani Shishodia garden and palace and heading towards Galtaji temple. We have reached the main entrance gate leading to the Galtaji temple complex. Entry into the temple as usual is free, but if you want to do photography, there is a charge for video and still cameras. And from the, if you are not taking a vehicle inside the parking, you have to walk about 100 meters before you reach the main temple perimeter gates. Now this is what you see en route your approach to the main Galtaji temple complex, which is situated in between two mountains in the Aravalli ranges. Like a small valley, it has been cut. And now this is what you see the moment you enter the main Galtaji temple complex. It is a beautiful site, and some families are staying in the complex itself. And this is what you see. There are two temple complexes, and each complex has its own what you call deities. And the main priest is now approached us and he has invited us into the temple, and now we are going inside and offer our respects to the various gods. This is the main temple complex with various gods and goddesses is there, and you have to really go inside for the main Hanumanji temple. And as our routine, we don't usually photograph or videograph the deities directly. And after that we have come out, and now we are praying what you are seeing here. So we are completed our darshan of the Hanumanji complex. And Galtaji temple, as usual, is known for its monkeys. There are a lot of monkeys in the complex. But we have reached at around 5:15, 5:20 in the evening, whether the climate is also very pleasant, and we are having a good view of the complex. Now, after our Hanuman darshan, now we are going exactly on the opposite complex of the temple. There is another temple here. So this is the view further ahead of the Galtaji complex. We have to go there after our worship here, and you can see lot of paintings on the walls. And this is maintenance of the buildings are not very perfect, but somehow I just liked it, and I feel that this is one of the best locations to visit in Jaipur. Even I will, being a photographer and videographer, I feel that this is one of the better locations that one should visit in Jaipur, along with the forts. Because even though Galtaji was listed as a temple, it is uniquely a different atmosphere and a unique architecture and a unique layout altogether. Really, it was fantastic to see and go through the temple complex. So now we have, after our worship further in the main complexes, we have come ahead again. This is what is the view like. You can see monkeys moving around, and it is almost their dinner time in the evening, where food will be brought and given to all the monkeys here. And now we are climbing up further and from this point we can have a beautiful view of the one of the water reservoirs here, which is a natural stream flowing down from the mountain, and it presents a beautiful view of its own. Really give a very authentic and dated look, which I really enjoyed, and the view itself is beautiful. Even though the water was totally green with algae, and there were some people taking bath also, but probably I don't know how good the water is, but the water should be good, as there will be a lot of people taking bath at various times otherwise, as an offering to the gods. Now we again come up from there, and this is the place. Again another temple is there, and now we are starting our way down back into the main temple complex, and the food for the monkeys have arrived, and they are all being fed before the day gets over. And the monkeys are very friendly, in the sense that they just don't attack or unnecessarily pester the humans. All are well fed. As you can see now, we are slowly going down, and the monkeys are being called down by the temple representatives, and they all recognize their voice, and they are all running down to take their share of the meal in the evening.
Sí, se ven todos.
And now we are slowly going back to our vehicle, and we are approaching the main temple complex. This is the vehicle by which the food of for the monkeys have arrived. I think this vehicle comes almost every day. I did not inquire whether it comes twice in a day or once in a day. And now we are reach the outer gate, whether we will just exit the main complex, and hope you had a nice overview of Gardaji temple. Thank you and bye.